In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excalidraw in Obsidian for mind mapping and visual notes. Open the Obsidian app. I'm assuming it's already downloaded and installed, so once it opens, you'll be on the main dashboard. From here, go to the bottom left area and click the gear icon to open Settings. Inside Settings, find Community Plugins, then click that section. When the Community Plugins page opens, click Browse to open the plugin library. In the search bar, type Excalidraw. Wait for the Excalidraw plugin to appear in the results. Then click it. Now click Install. After the installation finishes, click Enable so the plugin becomes active in Obsidian. Next, move to the left ribbon bar. Look for the Excalidraw icon, which appears as a pen tip. Click that icon, and Obsidian will open a new drawing canvas. This is where you'll build your visual note and mind map. Now select the Rectangle tool. Click and drag in the center of the canvas to draw a rectangle. Once the shape is there, double-click inside it so you can type the main topic. Type Learning Strategies. Say it naturally as you enter it. Learning, then Strategies. This creates the central idea for the map. With that rectangle selected, go to the Style panel on the left side. Change the background color to blue. Then find the Fill Style setting and switch it to Solid. This gives the main topic a clear, filled appearance so it stands out in the middle of the diagram. Next, select the Ellipse tool. Move to the upper right area of the canvas. Then click and drag to draw a circle. After the circle appears, double-click inside it and type Active Recall. Enter the first word, Active, then type Recall. This becomes your first branch topic. Now choose the Arrow tool. Click on the center rectangle, then drag the arrow outward to the circle you just created. Release when the arrow connects the two shapes. Once linked, the arrow will stay attached and follow the shapes if they are moved later. Repeat the same process to build more branches. Start by creating another shape for spaced repetition. Draw the shape where you want that branch to sit, then double-click inside it. And type Spaced Repetition, entering spaced first and then repetition. After that, create another branch for mind mapping. Draw the next shape, double-click it, and type Mind Mapping, entering Mind and then Mapping. Now add a smaller subnode using flashcards. Draw a smaller shape near the relevant branch, double-click inside it, and type flashcards. Then use the arrow tool again to connect that smaller subnode to the branch it belongs to. Click from the parent shape and drag to the flashcards node so the relationship is visible on the map. After the structure is in place, customize the map using the Style panel. Select different branches and change the stroke color so the connections are visually separated. If you want to add hand-drawn notes, select the freedraw tool and draw directly on the canvas to place annotations where needed. Next, use the text tool to add a tip somewhere on the canvas. Click where you want the text to appear, then type Review Daily. Enter the word Review, then Daily, followed by the exclamation point. If you also want to insert an emoji, open your system emoji picker. On Windows, that is Windows plus period. On Mac, that is Command plus Control plus space. Choose the emoji and place it with the text. Now rename the file. In the File Explorer, find the Excalidraw file you just created. Right-click it, then choose the Rename option. Type Learning Strategies, Mind Map. Enter Learning, then Strategies, then Mind Map. Once the rename is complete, you'll see the updated file name under your account in the file list. At this point, you've successfully used Excalidraw and Obsidian for mind mapping and visual notes. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Congratulations!